What I enjoy about dentistry kind of evolved over the years. In the beginning, it was more taking care of the immediate concern of the patient. Patients would come in with discomfort, or patients would come in not happy about their smile and like that. As I got more into what dentistry can be, and went away a little bit from fill and drill type of dentistry and into more complex and complicated cases, it's amazing how we can change person's life with dentistry. We can give them function that they're missing, going out with their friends, eating out, being able to smile confidently. We can roll back years and give them facial changes and make them look 15 to 20 years younger, make them more confident, to live a healthier lifestyle, to live longer, and just to have an overall better life quality. That's what I find the most rewarding now.
I met my husband at NYU. We come from two different backgrounds. And I feel that between his personality and my personality, we bring a lot to the practice. And that's the reason why we divide the practice into fields. He does everything that has to do with restorations with implants, and I do everything that has to do with aesthetic and restorations with the teeth. Doing that, we have been doing this for 21 years. I feel that we have tackled the best of the two branches of dentistry.
Every day we strive to make a positive difference in people's lives. We will do this by creating beautiful smiles of enduring value. We aim to provide exceptional service, be proactive, and pay close attention to detail for each patient. We will work every day on creating an environment for all team members that allows emotional and professional growth. Each day we will dedicate ourselves to the betterment of our industry.
They said that the eyes are the windows of the soul, but I actually feel that the smile can open any door that you may feel that is close to you. Now, the way how just a smile makes you feel, this is a way of confidence that nobody can take away from you. And that's the reason why, for me, I see the face in a different angle. I see how your face can give you the smile that you're looking for. Because the smile is the most important feature that you can do. It's a language that nobody can deny. You smile and people's character softens. You can get, happiness just from open up your lips and showing your teeth. I haven't had one single patient that has said, I regret doing this. What they regret is not doing this sooner.